Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to show you guys a brand new headphones that I received, and this is beautiful because this is wireless plus noise cancelling stereo headphones. This is done by a company called Ankbit and it is modeled E600Pro. This bad boy is not only going to be foldable, so you can put it quickly in a pouch that it came with, and also you're going to be able to store it quickly. On top of that, it has an extended battery, plus it has an active noise cancelling, and you can also put it on privacy mode. And on top of that, the sound on this is excellent. It is HD and it do play with a few different type of codecs, so you can get a richer sound out of it. Beside that, I do not want to forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this with your friends and family. Make sure you click the notification icon, select all, in order to get notified once we have a new video out. On top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We love to help you out ASAP. And don't forget to click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos quickly with a little more detail every time. And here are all the components that are part of the box. So it comes with this little envelope. First, we're going to open it up. In this, we will see a user manual and a nice bag. So this way, once you're not going to use your headphones, you're going to put it inside of this bag and you can close it. Really nicely done. I really like those little touches that they have provided, which has their logo. And also this is really nice and big, so you can use it. It also comes with this user manual, which I really like how this has been set up. Now it does come with a charging cable, which is USB type A to USB type C, so that way it gets charged very quick. And I have to mention that as I am reading the manual about this and also on their website, that this will charge very fast. 5 minutes is good for 5 hours. Now if you run totally out of charge, there is this auxiliary wire, which this will connect to your phone, and the USB Type-C will be connecting to your headphones, so it will work. And the big moment is the actual headphones itself. I really like how this has been designed. You can see that we can expand it, but this is first how it looks. I really like that. It gives you that effect, and also you can flip it and flip it on the other side. This is how it will be, so you can use it. And on top of that, if you want to store it somewhere and you want to take it with you, it's not going to break if you do it this way. And very easily you can, with a little bag that came with it, and easily you can store it away. But here you go, this is how the headphones look. So yeah, once you go through it, it looks really slick. There is a little sticker around, so we're going to take this out so that way it doesn't get scratched up or any fingerprint residue. On both sides it has it, so I'm just going to take it out. And yes, it looks like there is a little spot, but that's not a USB Type-C, but it's just a little design to it. Their logo is really nicely on the top. And in this part, it looks golden, but this doesn't have anything. It's just a little part, so you can open it. And yes, it has little markings, so you know exactly how much you opened. Now, same thing goes on this side. You can do the same thing. What I really like is the little cushion on the top, so this way it doesn't hurt your head when you put it on for a little bit longer than usual, or you want to go jogging. This will really help you out too. But if you look on the one side of it, you can only see, you cannot flip it this way, but you can go inward, and that will also going to help you out. So saying that, you can also open it up, and this is how it really looks. Now when you look inside of it, it does have markings, so you know this is left and the other one is right. And the cushion around it is again very soft, and once you put it around the head, I'm sure that it's not going to really feel like going to put anything on your head. It's not really heavy, it's pretty light, but again, it gives you a fact that you are going to wear something very expensive. Again, this is not really expensive, but it is not cheap. And once you go to the other side of it, similar thing, you can open it up, and yes, it's the right one. Cushions are really nicely done. Now going around, you can make it to go a little bit, and when you go around, there is going to be a little part for the mic, and then you have the charging portion, or you can also use this so you can, if there's no charge, you can use this so it will be connected to your phone and it will still work for you as a wired headphones. And then the noise cancellation button, so if you press it once, it will be noise cancellation on, and if you press it again, it will be transparent, and if you press it one more time, that will be totally turn it off. Now there's going to be a volume up and a volume down, so volume up, volume down, and then the power button. Now this is not only going to be power button, that's also going to be your pairing button, and on top of that, this will be the one that you can turn it off, and you can also use it for voice activation. So this way you're going to ask for something from your phone, you have to press it, and then you can use it. I really like that there's going to be some marking right inside of it that will tell you this is right. And when you go on this side, it has it on different color that you know this is left. So these are little parts that really stands out, and we're going to test it out now to show you exactly how good this is. So it's the first time we're going to turn this on, so hold the power. You can see that this is totally dead, so let's charge it up. As you can see, the light is turned red. That means it's charging. We're going to leave it for 5 minutes and then we go to catch up. So now it's time to pair the headphones to our phone, and then we're going to scroll down and we're going to select Bluetooth. Once the Bluetooth comes up, these are the ones that I already connected, and it should come up with more. Now for that, we have to make sure that we turn on our headphones. We have to hold the power button for a few seconds, and then you're going to see it that it is blinking red and blue. That's good, because now we should be able to find it on the list, which is right over here, and then we can select it. And there you go. Now it says to click pair. We're going to pair it. So now as you can see, the name says there, and then it says that I got 40% charge. Now I have to mention that I put it about 5 minutes and I got 40% charge. So that means it just needed a little kick in order for it to turn on. And then when you go to settings, here are the settings. You can get calls or you can play audio. And if you look on the bottom, just as usual, it says rename, disconnect, and unpair. In this part of the video, we will be using the phone, and also we're going to use the headphone to see exactly how good this will grab our sound. And yes, we're going to tap on the screen to see, make sure that this is going to record. So right now the sound is from this camera, and then it's going to change to here. So there's going to be a little indentation right over here. It will tell you that once the recording starts. But just to let you know, we will grab the headphones. And yes, this one is paired right now, as we already mentioned, and we showed you how we paired it. We're going to test it out with this phone. So let's do that. All right, so now we're going to press this start. So you're going to see the indentation right here that says recording. So you know that this is going to work. And while we're talking, we're just going to start recording it. And now you can see that there is going to be a graph that will tell you how much of the sound is going through. And this is how it really sounds when you are talking to someone in a really good environment. Remember that they do not know exactly how it sounds right now, but whatever it's going to be is going to show up on the screen for you guys. And this is going to be a test. So we will switch back to this camera right now. So we will say stop. So now the camera is going to pick up the voice back from here, and we're going to put back the headphones. So this is how good this will pick up the sound. To mention that while we were playing with these headphones, does not matter that you're going to just play music, which has all the layers separately. If you want a bass, it sounds really good. And on top of that, if you want to play with some regular relaxing sound, this will really sound rich. It sounds like you are sitting in a quiet place because it totally cancels all the sound. And also when you want to take a call, it works perfectly. And on top of that, if you used all the battery, and now you have to connect it directly with the wire, it works perfectly. Unless you have a few minutes, like maximum 5 minutes, you're going to get good 50 minutes out of it. It will really charge quickly, so you can go back for another almost an hour out of that charge. You want to just play a music or you want to take some calls, this will do the job for you perfectly. All the links will be available in the bottom of the video where you can order it from, except that I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment in the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is exitex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places, and thank you.